The first one is the Buddha. The others are who knows the Dharma, like Arahants, Sappurisa. Here referring to Buddha and Arahants, especially. Sappurisa Sansava, association with good persons. Without this, they cannot be Sotapanna. But they be good teachers, Sappurisa Sansava. Not only Arahants. I mean especially as the first one. Starting from this. Now it is, who knows the Dhammas are also Sappurisa. Okay? This is Sappurisa Sanseva. Who can explain the Dhamma? Sappurisa Sanseva. Sadhamma Savana means listening Dhamma or learning Dhamma. Like that, now you are studying Dhamma. That is a Sadhamma Savana. Not just the listening, learning. Okay? Savana means only hearing, listening. After that, after listening, everything is dropped here and nothing. That is no advantage. Everything is leaked out. Yeah, Sadhamma Savana means not only listening, learning Dhamma. So Sadhamma Savana. Yoniso Manasikaras, according to Sadhamma, proper attention. We must attend properly. So we must understand, we must try to understand anicca as a anicca, dukkha as a dukkha, anatta as a anatta, impermanent as a impermanent. Okay? That is a proper attention. So, that is a Yoniso Manasikara. Yoniso Manasikara is very important in everything. For example, if someone angrily abusive to you, okay? At that time, Yoniso Manasikara, Ayoniso Manasikara is two. If you have Yoniso Manasikara, you may think, oh, whatever he like, he can do. But I care nothing about him. If he thinks anger not arises within him, isn't that? That is a God patient. Whatever he says, okay. Whatever he says. After time, he will stop. I never care about it. I never listen. Buddha also like that. Not accepted, kept. The Buddha gave the simile. One day, a Brahmin approached the Buddha and used abusive words, scolded the Buddha. Pointing angrily the Buddha. You are animal, you are cow, like you are dog. Using abusive words. The Buddha is just smiling and patient. After that, the Buddha explained, is there any person who visited your house? Let me ask you, is there any friend who visited your house, home? Yes, there are many. If you give some gift to the visitors, if a visitor is not accept these things, whose properties are they? So the Brahmin says, these are my property. Hey, like that. You are abusive words, I never accept. The abusive words are only yours, not mine. The Buddha explained. That is also Yoniso Manasikara. Isn't that? Yoniso Manasikara. If you think, oh, he used to abuse me, I cannot be patient. I must do something to him. Otherwise, he will do more and more. I must stop. At least you reply and say, shut up. Don't talk more. You may say like this. So that is improper Ayoniso Manasikara. Anger arises within you. Hatred arises within you. Isn't that? It's something, it's very beautiful, desirable things. You think, oh, that is so nice, so beautiful. I want it. But it is owned by others. So whatever may be, I must get it, this one. It is Ayoniso Manasikara. So that is his property. It's not right to steal others' property. It is not suitable. It's not righteousness. We must abstain from stealing. So that is a Yoniso Manasikara. Okay? So Yoniso Manasikara, Ayoniso Manasikaras are very important. When you have a Yoniso Manasikara, Kusala arises within you. Whenever Ayoniso Manasikara arises, Akusala Chaitas arises within you in this way. So therefore, yesterday I told you, one of the Buddha's teaching, Yekechi Kusala Dhamma Sabeti Yoniso Manasikara Mulaka. Yekechi Akusala Dhamma Sabeti Ayoniso Manasikara Mulaka. All types of wholesome states are rooted in Yoniso Manasikara. All types of unwholesome states are rooted in Ayoniso Manasikara. Okay, in proper attention. So Yoniso Manasikara is very important. Then Dhamma Patipati. Dhamma means Mecca and Fla. Supramani Dhammas are Dhamma here. Okay? Supramani Dhammas, Mecca and Phala. Lokotara, Supramani Dhammas, okay? They are called Dhamma here. Supramani Dhammas, the highest attainment. Sotapati Mega, Sakadagami Mega, Anagami Mega, Arhata Mega. Fourth stage of Noble Four stages. Okay? These are called Dhamma. Anudhamma means Vipassana. Sila Samadhi, Panya. Anudhamma is a proper practice. Proper practice of Dhamma, Anudhamma. Anudhammas are Sila, Samadhi, Panya. We can say there is Eightfold Noble Path, Anudhamma. Because of true practice of Eightfold Noble Eightfold Noble Path, we can attain Mega and Fla. We can become Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami, and Arahant. Therefore, they are called Anudhamma. Patipati means practice. Practicing of Sila Samadhi Panya, which is proper to Lokotara Dhammas. Okay, by explanation, so many body words you cannot follow. Can follow? Dhamma, you understand? Anudhamma, you understand? Eightfold Noble Path. Sila, Samadhi, Panya. Morality, concentration, and knowledge, wisdom. Anudhamma. Patipati is practice. If you want to attain the highest Dhamma, you must practice Anudhamma. That is the meaning. Dhamma Anudhamma Patipati is one condition to become Sotapanna. Briefly, Dhamma Anudhamma Patipati is practice of Vipassana meditation. Okay? Practice of Vipassana meditation together with the observing Sila. So these four conditions lead to become Sotapanna. Becoming Sotapanna. So Yoniso Manasikara. Now you understand Yoniso Manasikara and Ayoniso Manasikara? there are some more information, but it is enough. But not more than enough. And further study is necessary to explain. Okay? This Yoniso Manasikara not concerning that this Manasikara, Chaitasika, that's not a concern, these Yoniso Manasikara, Ayoniso Manasikara. The Yoniso Manasikara is just direct the mind to the object. Okay? The Chaitasika Manasikara, I mean. Now, we are dealing with Manasikara, universal mental property. Don't forget this one. Okay? This Manasikara, mental property or mental factor, is that it derives mind towards the object. Only that. Not concern Yoniso Manasikara, Ayoniso Manasikara. Do you understand? Yoniso Manasikara, Ayoniso Manasikara is not this Manasikara. What are they? They are Sayādaw adverting consciousness and Mind-o adverting consciousness, in other way practicing Samatha Vipassana. Okay? That is a Yoniso Manasikara, Ayoniso Manasikara, proper attention and improper attention. Isn't that? Because they are called Kriya. Yes. Kriya means neither Kusala nor Akusala. Yeah. Neither Kusala nor Akusala nor result of karma. Not only Arahant. Because of these two avachanas common to all. Without the avachana, no other consciousness arises, no mentality arises within us. Yeah. Yeah, you see, Chaita is, as you know, classified in Kusala, Akusala, Vipaka, and Kriya. Yeah. Different ways. But they are not a Kusala, nor Kusala, just a Kriya. Okay? They are not no Karma Vipaka result of previous karma. Depending on present conditions, they arise. They also have conditions. Through conditions, every phenomenon have conditions. Without a condition, no phenomena arises within us. Paticca Samuppanna. Paticca means depending on condition. Uppanna means arising. Arising depending on condition. Even the cause, according to Buddhism, even the cause it is a cause. According to Buddhism, there is no root cause, no first cause. No first cause. First cause is not accepted in Buddhism. No first cause. No root cause. Even cause it is a cause. Without a cause, nothing arises, according to Buddhism. Okay? You may think, in Paticca Samuppada, the Lord Buddha mentioned without a cause, ignorance, avijja, paccaya, sankhara. There is no condition before avijja, you may think. But avijja also has. That is arising of kankharas or asava. Asava is the cause of avijja. Do you remember I explained the three circles? Kilesa, Kama, Vipaka. Okay? Desire, act, receive. Because of like that. We want, we desire to have something, try to get, after that receive. Because of receive, desires move. Then try again, then receive again, then desires move, then try again, then receive. Do you remember? This is three circles. Kama vata, kilesa vata, vipaka vata. It's like that. There is a kilesa, there is a karma, there is vipaka. Okay? We have desires, is work to get it, then received, then desires more, then trying again to get it, then received. So in this way, in samsara, this is a three cycle of what should be removed, what should be eradicated. Out of the three, only kilesa, desire, you should remove. It should remove. If you eradicate the desire completely, the other will be no more. Okay, that is the escape of samsara. As long as you have a desire, you will do for it. You will receive. Desire will be more and more. Isn't that? So, okay, let me stop.